Hello, my name is Christine de Gagne. I'm French-Canadian and working for Airbus. At Airbus, my role is Airline Marketing Director for Europe, and we visit airlines to demonstrate the profitability of our aircraft. I'm also the chair of the scholarship committee at IAWA, International Aviation Women's Association, where we grant scholarship to inspiring young women to complete their studies. I'm thrilled this year to join the judge panel for the Excellence Club Aerospace. Well, there'll be a competition on innovation. There are 5 categories. One of them is green aviation, another one innovation in 2022, artificial intelligence, connectivity, and inspiring students. The ceremony will be in Toulouse on October 4th. But subscriptions are open now, so we welcome every student to participate because innovation is what makes dreams come true. Thank you.